Price high 3 stars. Good product. Value for money, energy efficient. GD. Nice products and value for money is also good, and packing is excellent thanks to Amazon. And service. It is very good product and the quality is same as given in product details. It's a 2-star rating for this appliance, that's the only hint, otherwise it's a good one for a family of 2. Beautiful looking fridge. Smart and elegant. Nice product, thank you Amazon. Product is good but delivery by Getty sucks. They refused door delivery in spite of fact that motorable road was there up to home. Getty sucks big time. Nice. Working good, but inside materials like try boxes etc. are of very thin, very low quality, can improve that. Very nice fridge, value for money. Value for money. Very nice product and working properly. I am satisfied with this product. Thank you Amazon. Click link in description for more reviews.